In this video, I'll show you how to add a VAT number in Zoho Invoice so your invoices stay professional and tax compliant. Once you're logged in, go to the Invoices section. You can either create a new invoice or open an existing one. Enter your customer details like name, address, and contact information. Then move to the Item tab. Here, you'll list the products or services sold, along with quantities and prices. In the tax column beside each item, click the drop-down menu and select VAT. This ensures the tax is applied correctly based on your regional requirements. When you're done, you can either save as draft if you still need to review, or select Save and Send to issue the invoice to your customer immediately. And that's it! You've successfully added a VAT number in Zoho Invoice. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy Zoho tips.